while Flonase takes hours, so you can Astapro and go.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Korean government and in conjunction with the United States government. Many reports of 4 buses called the Little Buses have been reported in both Korea and the United States. Their names are Tayo, Raji, Lani, and Gunny. Old residents in Korea and the United States should seek shelter immediately. These buses look a little bit dangerous. There are also many reports of them telling the other little cars about this situation, that there are humans, 8 billion humans in the planet. So Korea and the United States will be a complete turmoil. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation.
I can write anything for you. Just describe.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Korean government and in conjunction with the United States government. This is not a test. The little buses are right. Korea and the United States are in a complete turmoil. At 1 o'clock in the morning Eastern, the little cars are coming, 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 they're coming to your location. They're cheering. I'm looking forward to this, so exciting. This situation gets even more worse and worse and worse. Stay tuned for more following updates. The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and in conjunction with the Korean government. This is an all-clear message. To repeat, this is: the little cars has been killed except for Tayo, Raji, Lani, and Gunny. They were so sad to see them die. I repeat, this is an all-clear message. You can get out of your shelter except if they come close to your house. Stay tuned for more updates.
I can write anything for you. Just describe them.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and in conjunction with the Korean government and NASA. This is not a test. Tayo, Raji, Lani, and Gunny launched 500,199 tiny asteroids of anger. They also got horns that can glow in the dark that would scare away people in the United States. There are no more attempts to destroy the tiny asteroids. This is the end of the world as we know it. Gather your friends, family, and praise for the end. We'll play our final playing of our national anthem. Please stand by, please stand by.
Hello, Moto.
Stripes and bright stars through the
Hello guys, this is Debbie Lawrence here, and this is my first EAS scenario video ever. Make sure to subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and I will see all of you in the next video. Good night.